The DJI Mini Pro 3 exemplifies the impressive evolution of consumer drones. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact marvel effortlessly slips into a jacket pocket. Beyond its portability, the drone boasts remarkable capabilities, capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second and maintaining flight for up to 34 minutes with the standard battery, extending to 47 minutes with the upgraded version. Navigating the drone is a breeze thanks to the Apex 4.0 system, which provides real-time obstacle detection, enhancing maneuverability and safety. Furthermore, the drone offers creative recording features, including time-lapse and vertical format, enabling users to craft captivating videos that will undoubtedly astonish their friends. Introducing the Dreo Pedestal Fan, a groundbreaking innovation that surpasses any ordinary floor fan. This technological marvel boasts numerous features and options, including Wi-Fi and voice control with support for Alexa and Google. With a 120 degrees horizontal and 105 degrees vertical range, 6 modes, and 8 speeds, the Dreo Pedestal Fan stands out. Despite its impressive capabilities, it produces a mere 25 decibels of noise, quieter than a hushed conversation. Adding to its appeal, the fan includes a timer feature, ensuring it automatically shuts off if the soothing air lulls the buyer to sleep. You can snag this advanced device for a reasonable $140. The FITH ops alarm components may seem priced at $40, and while there are cheaper alternatives, the real question is their reliability. It's crucial to highlight that this company collaborates closely with law enforcement and the military, and its founder is an explosives expert. Opting for FITH ops components provides you the chance to build a formidable alarm system. Picture this, a combination of flashbangs, 12-gauge blanks, and a 130 dB siren for a robust security setup. Ever wondered how many tasks this compact marvel, Hoto, can handle? Here's a clue. Think of the last black number on the American roulette wheel. Well, the correct answer is 35. This versatile gadget from Hong Kong is a universal soldier in your toolkit, seamlessly replacing tools for cutting, grinding, engraving, drilling, and polishing. Instead of a collection of mediocre tools, now you have this cool all-in-one gadget at your disposal. Raised in a large family, the founder of AlfaBot understands the first-hand challenges of maintaining a clean home. This insight drives his company to innovate smart cleaning solutions. Enter the AlfaBot X6, a smart glass cleaner robot meticulously crafted to autonomously clean windows, tiles, and floors by intelligently selecting the optimal route. Complete with a 4-meter safety rope, this robot is priced at $120, offering a practical solution to household cleaning challenges. Believe me, we've tested every chair out there, the big, the bad, and the ugly, as the Cliq team puts it. Dissatisfied with the options, they took matters into their own hands and crafted this chair. Weighing just 1.6 kilograms, it defies its weight by supporting up to 136 kilograms. Unfolding in seconds and collapsing to the size of a water bottle, it's incredibly portable, fitting snugly into a backpack or bag for your convenience. Not just a clever disguise, but a smart security solution. Crafted in the shape of a light bulb, this intelligent camera keeps a vigilant eye, monitoring motion within a vast 355 degrees range and detecting disturbances up to 5.2 meters away. If anything seems awry, it activates a siren, and you can effortlessly stream the live feed to your smartphone. With built-in two-way voice communication and Alexa compatibility, this comprehensive security package is available at an affordable price of $39. Installation is a breeze. All you need is a E27 plug. Stumbled upon this underwater scooter, the LEFEET S1 Pro, while browsing a well-known Chinese platform. Its performance is truly impressive, especially considering the price tag of $799. With a complete charge, this aquatic marvel can keep you exploring for up to an hour and reach depths of 40 meters. Check out the link in the description below to find this remarkable product on Amazon. Embark on the cutting edge of comfortable seating with the electric rocking chair. Revel in its full 360 degrees rotation and the option to customize the angle from 90 to 135 degrees. With built-in USB ports for hassle-free gadget charging, this chair offers more than meets the eye. As you can see, at $482, the price tag is unquestionably justified. In the latest update from the worldwide smartphone scene, a whopping 1.2 billion new devices found their owners in 2022. To put it in perspective, if each of these gadgets were shipped to France, every resident would have 17 phones each. It's not a coincidence that the most successful entrepreneurs understand the key to selling is compatibility with smartphones. Case in point, this water bottle on your screen doubles as a stand, providing a convenient setup for video chats, movie watching, or recording a workout. In the realm of noisy workplaces, where circular saws hit 90 decibels and forklifts surpass 100 decibels, causing discomfort and shouting, Sonetics, a leading US-based provider of communication systems for challenging environments, steps in with a solution. Their headsets boast several standout features. Firstly, they cap incoming sound at 82 decibels. Secondly, the headphones allow you to hear your surroundings, eliminating the need to take them off. Thirdly, they offer individual volume adjustments, letting you raise dialogue volume while lowering background noise. Lastly, these headphones operate efficiently at distances up to 488 meters, equipped with Bluetooth compatibility for answering calls, tuning into the radio, and connecting to computers. Sony, the go-to gurus for musical gadgets, have a massive track record, having sold a staggering 385 million Walkman cassette players. Even today, their Japanese mastery shines through in perfect sound. By infusing technology and creativity while cutting the cord, they birthed the Sony SRS-NS7 speaker. It's not just cool, it actually analyzes the contours of your ears, crafting the ultimate blend of virtual Dolby Atmos speakers. The outcome? A personalized sound field tailored for each user. Bid farewell to unpleasant pet litter box odors with this innovative Japanese creation, the SUNSTAR QAIS-air 04. Tailored for spaces up to 49 square meters, it emits a mere 37 decibels, ensuring it won't startle your pet. Not only does this device effectively slash bacteria and viruses by an impressive 99% within just 2 to 3 hours, but you can also secure yours for $349.